3, 2, 1.
How's it feel to be married, Dylan?
Feels good, man. Nothing better. No better feeling.
I want to end my vows off with a quote from Dr. Seuss. He once said, "You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams." You are the woman of my dreams, Joleen, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much.
I will choose to love you every single day for the rest of my life because I know that I'm the luckiest girl in the world to have a best friend like you. I love you, Bill, and this is my vow for time and all eternity. I can't wait to spend it with you.
You may kiss each other as husband and wife. Family, friends, I present to you Dillan and Joleen McDonough.
Spent the night.
You spent the night?